It's time to bring the baby into the world. आपको आज ही एडमिट होना पड़ेगा.
Doctor, I have some concerns. This hospital also has a section for treating COVID patients. Although it's a separate building and all, yet I have my own doubts as regards to hospital का hygiene and sanitization. सब safe है ना? Is it safe to have my delivery in this hospital?
I can understand your concern. आप बिल्कुल चिंता ना करें. अगर ऐसा कोई इशू होता तो मैं खुद ही आपको किसी और हॉस्पिटल भेजता. I come to this hospital every day and I know the sanitization protocol that this hospital follows. यहाँ रेगुलरली पूरे हॉस्पिटल और मेडिकल इक्विपमेंट को डिसइंफेक्ट करते हैं वायरोसिल हॉस्पी शील्ड से. Its fast killing action eliminates 99.9% viruses, germs and bacteria in just 60 seconds. And its long-lasting Swiss formula lasts for 24 hours. We use the hand sanitizer at all entrances for the staff and visitors, the floor cleaners on every floor, the aerial disinfectant spray in the wards and operating rooms, the fumigant in the AC duct, and the surface disinfectant spray on the operating tables and surgical equipment.
But doctor, so many different products. Will it be safe for my baby?
You have nothing to worry about. It's only one product with 5 different uses. Virusil is eco-friendly and non-toxic, with no alcohol and no chlorine. Each Virusil solution bottle comes with an applicator kit, which contains a surface disinfectant spray for surfaces, an aerial disinfectant spray for air, and a hand sanitizer bottle for hands. We use our own mop and bucket for the floors and fogger for fumigation. We just need to dilute the solution as per the label instructions. And we have our hospital's hand sanitizer, aerial disinfectant spray, surface disinfectant spray, floor cleaner and fumigant ready to use as needed. Why keep 5 brands and products in the hospital when one can do? Virusil is 10 times more cost effective and has been trusted in the industry for 30 years now. Virusil Hospi Shield is formulated specially to disinfect apart from air, hand, floor, on surfaces of pathology, blood banks, general wards, ICU and OTs. Apart from that, nurses, doctors and other staff are strictly monitored to follow hygiene protocols like frequent hand wash, temperature scanning and so on and so forth. इतना ही नहीं, मैं खुद Virusil की products use करता हूँ. Virusil Home Cleanse for my home, Virusil Clinic Cleanse for my clinic and Virusil Car Cleanse for my car. So basically the hospital is in the safe protection of Virusil and this makes you safe in this hospital.
That information really helps. मेरा टेंशन कम करने के लिए थैंक यू डॉक्टर.
I understand. तो चलें फिर. It's time to welcome a new life in this world. Virusil is our shield against infections.
What's yours?
Virusil का साथ, Virusil का भरोसा, कल, आज और हमेशा. Virusil Hospi Shield is available in 1 liter and 5 liter value packs, each with an included Virusil applicator kit. Virus karo kill only with Virusil. For more details visit virusil.com.